iSupport administration tools. Managing support representatives. iSupport includes several ways to enable or disable access to features for support representatives. Configure settings for support representatives individually via the Support Representative Profile screen. iSupport utilizes permissions to restrict or enable access to specific functionality by work item type. You can use roles to assign a set of permissions to individual support representatives or groups of support representatives. A support representative must be assigned to a primary group. The permissions of their primary group will apply upon login. With groups, you can tailor a support representative's experience according to their job function. In the group screen, you can enable the applicable desktop components, the work items and features involved in global search, work item UI settings, and My Support chat settings for group members. If you are not using Microsoft Windows-based authentication with iSupport, you can enable password security options and configure locks to prevent a support representative who has exceeded a specified number of failed login attempts from logging in. Monitoring iSupport activity. Use the View Chart Audit Tracking screen to display audit history entries for changes made to charts and views. Use the Configuration Audit Tracking screen to display audit history entries for any changes to settings in the configuration module. Use the Discussion Post Management screen to view, remove, or delete discussion post entries that have been posted via a dashboard newsfeed, My Support Portal newsfeed, or knowledge entry on a My Support portal. Use the Rep Chat History screen to view chats between support representatives. Use the Notification Queue screen to display all unsent notifications. You can delete any notifications that you do not wish to be sent. Managing your iSupport environment. Use the iSupport environment screen to compile a printable summary of configuration settings and information on the server on which the report is run. Agents perform background tasks that are an integral part of iSupport functionality. Use the Archiving and Database Maintenance screen to schedule agents that maintain iSupport databases and move closed work items to archive databases. Use the Event Log screen to view event log entries that reflect application errors, messages, and the date and time that iSupport agents run. You can also display the event log view via the View component on the desktop and set up a View subscription. You can build a custom view using the config event log data source in the View Designer. You can use the iSupport configuration utility to enable or disable logging to the SQL database on which iSupport is installed and to the Windows Event Viewer. You can configure an email to be sent when informational messages, errors, and/or warnings from the iSupport services, desktop, and My Support portal are logged. See the online help for more information. If you are experiencing performance issues in your iSupport environment, best practices and recommendations are included in the online help. Managing your iSupport license. Use the iSupport License Management screen to administer the license for your iSupport application. There are 3 types of licenses: production, test, and backup. If your server is connected to the internet, it will automatically validate your software and server configuration. If you are not connected to the internet, you will be prompted for serial numbers and activation codes. These can be obtained by contacting iSupport Software Technical Support. Enable the iSupport Update agent in the iSupport Update screen to perform a scheduled check for feature release and hotfix updates to iSupport. When a feature release update is available, support representatives designated as maintenance administrators will be notified via email and a desktop dialog. You can also enable automatic installation of hotfix updates, schedule and install any available hotfix and feature release updates, and configure the page that will appear when someone tries to access iSupport while an update is occurring. Note that any active iSupport sessions will be dropped when the update begins, and iSupport will be unavailable for several minutes while updates are installed. That's it for an overview of iSupport's administration tools. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them via email at support@isupport.com and via phone at 360-397-1099. They're available from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Monday through Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST on Saturday and Sunday for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.